This place is so close to Hanoi, yet so mystic, calm and untouched. Less than a 2-hour flight away, Siem Reap, the city where the legendary Angkor Wat stands, now feels so much closer to us Hanoians in many ways. Just like Hanoi where I'm from, there are so many motorbikes on the roads. But not like Hanoi and more like Bangkok, tuk-tuk is everywhere. It's even a mode of transportation that you can book through the Grab app. Sitting on the tuk-tuk, passing through quiet roads lined with trees and nature, as I started seeing vendors selling traditional costumes to tourists, that's when I know we're now very close to Cambodia's most sacred destination, and there's an undeniable energy in the air. Angkor Wat, or the city as a temple, stands as the largest temple within the entire Angkor archaeological site. With a solid structural foundation, meticulously calculated proportions, and exquisite detailing, Angkor Wat is regarded as the pinnacle of artistic achievement. Just beyond Angkor Wat, a short drive leads to a place that I'll always remember. Not Angkor Thom, but a small, quiet Buddhist pagoda. Wat Swai booming. No tourists, just pureness and simplicity. Everything feels genuine, the warmth of the sunlight, the giant monks, the caves, the nature. In this tranquil space, my mind finds peace, a deep and lasting sense of relief. As part of the activities, we had a monk blessing ceremony. This is a Cambodian tradition where the monk chants sacred prayers while sprinkling the blessed water over the participants. Taking the opportunity to be blessed by a Buddhist monk means opening your heart to peace and prosperity. Besides the spiritual values, we certainly did have some very casual conversation between me and the monk. Wat Swai Bumit is situated near the site of Siem Reap's former airport. Previously, tourists could fly into Siem Reap and head directly to Angkor Wat upon arrival. However, the old Siem Reap International Airport closed its doors in 2023 for the operation of a new airport. The relocation was necessary as the previous airport in such location caused damage to Angkor Wat due to pollution.
When it's still under operation, a lot of business around. A lot of people, in this town, they want to see the plane take off.
Oh, yes.
Many people come and visit the plane, but now it's gone. No business anymore.
Siem Reap's new airport, the Siem Reap Angkor International Airport, is a lot further from the city, about an hour drive. It's where I had my first impression of Siem Reap when I first landed. A very clean and, of course, very new airport. This new airport is seen as a new hope for the city and the country in attracting more visitors. Because you really should visit Siem Reap, if I have to be honest. I'm not gonna dress it up with fancy words or try to oversell it. The city has an atmosphere you don't describe, you just feel. All I can say is that it's warm, welcoming, and comfortable. I love this place. One of the city's best luxury hotels, the Park Hyatt Siem Reap, really adds to the experience. And it ensures you are perfectly prepared for your journey to the magnificent Angkor Wat too. Architect Bill Bensley turned this place into a refined journey of comfort and traditions. And of course, it's not just about the luxury or the beauty of the place, it is the cultural richness and the warmth of the people. The staff are the heart of this place. Their warmth and kindness make you feel truly connected to the destination.
And then just open the shaker.
During my time at Park Hyatt Siem Reap, I participated in an activity called a gratitude moment. And that's when I thought that, despite all the things going on in the world, we are connected more than ever. And I am grateful that I am here at this very moment.